So you wanna grab the pawn the player is currently using, that's get player pawn. Now it's actually simpler than get player character because pawn is the base, whether it's car, plane or custom character. If player controls it, this grabs it and get is not just right click and type in get player pawn. Yes, it's that easy. But now we will remove both of these because we have an example, a very simple example prepared from in which actually we are taking an execution from event tick and then we are getting the player pawn and just displaying its name by get display name. That's all. But let's just see it in action. So we compile the code, press the begin play, and as you can see on the screen, we are actually printing the name of the player, which is BP third person character 0. And let's just for now change the default pawn class to tutorial character. And as you can see here, when we press begin play, it starts printing tutorial character 0 as well. So this is actually used for vehicle position, AI targeting the current pawn, or camera setup that don't care about character, just control. So it actually saves you a bit of processing power as well. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.